Hey, welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel. What is today? Thursday, April the 15th, 2020. It's one day after this is a day of reckoning. This is tax day in the US where you have to have your income tax, your federal tax statements filed by. Okay? But that's enough misery. Let's take a look. But of course, back to our show now. Of course, wow. Look at all these changes here. Good grief. I think Haven is used to uh, import various types of data in various types of format. Not your standard CSV or text format, but other third-party formats. Okay, DT creates tables. Blog down is a blogging software. Uh, Tidyverse, of course, everybody knows what Tidyverse is, and so let's go ahead and just update all these right now. As a general rule, you always want to say yes to that question. I did have one situation where I wasn't able to update a package correctly, so I uninstalled the package and reinstalled the package without any problem, which is kind of curious. I'm going to continue through Saturday or Sunday, setting the YouTube videos for available for children or under 18, I guess. Um, don't really see a difference in the number of views. Okay. Uh, while we're doing that, let's just begin the process of pulling down pulling down the new data. And we could say this here, John Hopkins. Let's see what's going on here. I always recommend the first thing you do when you fire up your R session in the morning, as you do run package update, make sure you got the latest version, bug fixes, latest features and stuff like that for all your packages. I want to point out that the system in Windows consists of three different parts. And some people will get confused with this. Okay, it consists of the R programming language, R Tools 4.0, and R Studio. Okay, R Studio, what you see here, is simply an IDE or integrated development environment. It's not the actual language itself. So people say, I need help with R Studio. No, you don't need help with R Studio. You need help with R, which is running in R Studio. Okay. The R world in data is a little larger data set than the rest of these data sets. So it may take a moment for it to actually finish. Okay, good. So the packages have finished uploading. I want you to load our data. We're ready to start. Mhm. One more to go. This last data set is the vaccine rollout data for the U.S. states, but the U.S. states are kind of erratic and when they started to report and how often they report. Okay, so this concludes the update. So we updated our packages and we updated our databases. Anyway, so that concludes this portion of the, well, let's just come here while we're here. Go ahead and actually run the update. Okay, so let's go and run all these. As you can see, there is another tab called connections, and it's actually showing the data the database table that's created so far. Now this is a different table. Let's take a minute while this finishes up. This is the New York. This is the New York Times database and the U.S. vaccine rollout information for the states. Let's just try something. Let's just see if we can say, ah, see, we could come in here and simply call all this, simply call this here, apparently, and uh, all the names. Just hmm. And this, of course, will be the okay. And this, of course, will be the final database update for today. And here we go. And a couple plots. Okay, so this concludes the database update for today. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you learned a little bit. I hope you learned maybe a small thing about actually SQL, our studio, and our programming language today. Thanks so much for your time. Be back in just one moment with the daily reports.